What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. If this isn't your first time, and welcome to I'm Just Tech, the channel where I teach you about all things beneficial for your YouTube and Twitch channels. And in today's video, it's going to be short and sweet, to the point, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a game through a game key. So if you got granted a game key and you need to figure out how to add that game to your Steam account, this is the video for you. So if you're interested in this, then keep on watching. I have a few game keys that I do need to add to my account through the Keymailer website, which I just created a video on that. That video should be up before this one, so check that out in the top. I never get it right. It's in one of these corners. But if you're interested in learning how you can possibly get free game keys, then check that video out. But I'm going to redeem one of my game keys. I'm gonna move it to the other screen so y'all don't see. So once you have your game key, you wanna go to Steam, come down here to the bottom left-hand corner where it says add a game and click on that. And then you wanna go to the middle option that says activate a product on Steam. Yep, you agree. This is where you're going to put your game key, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and redeem the Mortuary Assistant. I've been so scared to play this game. Copy it, come over here and paste it. Okay, then you're gonna hit next, then you're gonna hit finish. And now you can install it. So that's going to the right one and finish up. So I'm gonna scroll down to make sure, and now it's installing. But now you can see the game is installing. So it's easy, to the point. You know, if you want to see me play this game, check out my gaming channel. It's not up yet because I haven't played it, like I said. But I hope this video was helpful. I hope it gave you the answer that you were looking for. If it did, please do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. If you have any specific tutorials you would like to see on this channel, leave it down in the comment section below and I will check that out. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Later, y'all.